talking about Lagbaja, nobody don't see him face. Some people don't see him face. His real name na Bisade Ologunde. Yes. But it's real. This is not my real face.
Yeah.
The thing wey they do. Yes. Now be the real. This is not my real face. The face way they carry, we know they see him, but the guy they make sense for his song. The song where he sing now before we start this program, I just dey think am. Say na democracy don't come. Make we na embrace am, make we na take am, make we allow the thing work. As it don't they be so, we don't tire for military rule, military don't rule us. Now, my brother, 18 years, I mean 19 now down the line. Qu'est-ce que c'est? 18 years, I mean
18 years.
18 years, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est la governmental? Waiting we don't do, waiting we don't achieve. In 18 years of democracy, they say military bad, military bad, military bad. Democracy come, he go suit us, government of the people, for the people, by the people, looking at the people and observing the people, seeing the people, eating the money, people's money and not doing anything to the people. That is what we have found ourselves now. A country where small people are punished for doing small things and big people go scot-free for doing big things, including stealing big money and stealing big things. It is the state where anybody can wake up one day in the name of a leader, just throw one small money and people can start killing and killing themselves for other people's sake. It's a country where there is no food. In fact, they're waiting with that boy name, African China. He never see anything when he sing that song. Food, you know, the brother, water, no. I used to say now, I wonder what he go sing. And no, just no. Fela don't shout, shout, shout. Meanwhile, Fela Day was which day? Say
that was 2 days ago.
2 days ago, now be remembrance. May his gentle soul, may his gentle soul, is his gentle, sorry, may his rascal, he's not gentle. He was very rascal.
He was just a man of the people.
That's what I'm saying.
In see vision.
Wait till I will call him now. May his Aluta soul. May his Aluta soul continue to rest with the gods of the land. Yeah, rugged man. He speak it. Can you imagine how many musicians now go fit speak, make government put them for jail? How many? No be say he no fight anybody physically. Why did they arrest him? Just a song.
Two Baba try am, but in fear.
Two Baba come out. Two Baba come out. No, do you know say Two Baba directly saying go protest. Fela no protest now. Fela they use music protest. And they call them by name. I under one way he called Obasanjo, he called them by name, call Yaradua. He know they fear anybody. And they try to see now who go come say Buhari do say. I never see
Karim to try him. But now, since the time we try him,
na so in life
he just disappeared.
Nigeria jaga, everybody from that jaga na so in life jaga. They just jagad him down. They jagad him down. You see, only one man we don't use in voice, and not even saying fight government. Say he was prophesying.
But
in they speak and ahead, waiting we never see, and now the thing they happen now. Imagine now. Are we not in the country where we are suffering and smiling?
And he talk about and say churches too.
Yes, he talk about churches, yes.
And
people they I'm telling you. Then the pastor, the fat, the congregation, they lean. He talk out. Say for mosque too, the imam they show body. The congregation they lean.
Suffering and smiling.
The man he don't try. He don't try. So I follow millions of all over the world we salute Fela. No be only when he reach an international person, they go they put and say today na remembrance of Martin Luther King, today na remembrance of waiting with the other man. Today, 2 days ago, all those one we know 1 year. Our own Fela make we celebrate and too. Meanwhile, I have to talk about flood. For people the way attacked me last week, I have returned back home because the flood been carry me 2 weeks ago, yes, to an unknown destination. Yes, even me.
Come back.
I don't know why I did it, but I was there for almost 4 days. The flood carried me away, and I just found myself in somebody's house. Yes, I found myself. It is not people's house, one person's house. I will not tell you whether I'm a man or a woman before people will start suspecting me. But I was in that house, and they took care of me in that house, because it was flood. So I was warning people, please read weather forecast. they want us say make we no go where flood dey, but I just say make I try whether true flood dey carry person. And brother, flood took me away. Flood took me away, and it was a very positive one. So please, if you are avoiding flood, it's not every flood that is bad. Sometimes enter flood, let flood carry you and see where you will land.
Flood, I go live flood will just carry me enter London.
That kind of flood. Not yourself for.
But talking about this flood, yeah, the gutter will not get. Let's say from Rumokoro all the way to Nkpolu. If rain fall, you see say the flood don't start. Just 5-10 minutes rain, it don't full everywhere. But the gutter for there is blocked. Check, we have to wait for the government declare environmental sanitation before you clear on a gutter.
See, my brother, government follow for part of this problem.
Our people too.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Now let me first start from government. Let me take it from small. Oh, sorry, from big. What did I talk that thing for English? Bigger. And smaller.
Top down model.
Now let me start from biggest. Oh, sorry, the big is the biggest one.
Yeah, biggest.
The big is the biggest one. Okay. Let me start from the very biggest. Now we see government. Then now say normally normal for normal countries to say that they do sanitation because the conscience of people by themselves in the spirit of say they want they clean. You understand? They know say this thing we get to clean them, not dirty. We get to clean them by ourselves. I was in Turkey, my brother. At the point then, me come they find make I see one paper for ground, make I use hold as evidence against them. Say I see paper here, see paper for ground. My brother, I waka the whole inside Turkey where I know where my jurisdiction of visa cover. Brother, I no see one paper for ground inside Turkey. In Dublin, by my own self, even when nobody dey there, I no see anybody. To piece for road, I cannot fit it. I hold the piece so tey na God na him save my bladder. Nobody dey there. I no dey see anybody for na bush path. But piecing was prohibited. It was a law of diminishing return. I cannot by myself because you don't even know if camera dey watch you. Now that is the conscience of people there. Talk less of me wey even go visit from here go there. Why for say okay I no know.
But I don't see one picture one time like that where one Oyinbo man for Lagos.
Oyinbo?
They piece for road.
Brother.
They can't snap and say for in country if you do this kind of nonsense.
Let me ask you one question. You don't hear the proverb where they say when leaf stay long for soap body, the leaf self dey foam. The leaf self go foam. Now waiting do the man. Because you don't look and say people they do am. Why would I need to trek the distance to go convenience or toilet when it is available here?
What's in the state of the public toilet, sir?
You understand? Now, I remember when I was going from Houston to Florida. Let people know now I don't travel. You understand? Yeah. Not be every time people they know this thing. There are some places they call when an alleyway, I mean a byway, somewhere like that where you be say you go just park. Toilet dey there. Maybe some of them na gas station. You go just park your motor there. You go inside. That is the place be like. It be like I don't even know. It be like government house. In fact, some government house don't even get that kind of convenience. They don't get that kind of toilet there. You understand? You go just enter there, do what you want to do, enter your motor and continue. You know they even pay. I don't see where they ask us to pay money. Now, in this country now, where we say they can't make it compulsory for us to do sanitation. So okay, sanitation go day. From January to now, it's supposed to be every month, every last Saturday of the month. The one where we don't do, for this year, I'm not sure say it don't reach 4. You know why? This person go put event day this day, more cancel sanitation. This thing they happen, more cancel sanitation. But even last Saturday they cancel them. And the last month they cancel them. You see, that time now the only time where people on their own say okay today na sanitation make we dey house. Anything where government want do, brother, you can wait till 10 o'clock or after 10 o'clock. Make it say this conscience where we don't put for people mind. So okay, do sanitation. People go do the sanitation for that one day. That 3 hours, e no go kill us. any activity where you wan put am after the 10 o'clock. And most of them, they no dey even restrict government function and government wetin. So una fit go plan una plan, and anything wey una wan do, qu'est-ce qu'elle appelle nouvelle or disturber? Nobody is going to disturb you. For this year, I'm not sure say we do for February. Whether you, I don't know if we will do January. February, no day. I think April or so, you know day. Whether May or June, you know day. So in this whole 8 months, I mean 7 months, we don't do so. When I'm not sure say we do sanitation reach 3 times or 4 times. The other one, council, government, council. It to say they conscientize the mind of people. You see, that time when sanitation start for Lagos, my brother, my papa no go gree you wey be children sef sleep anything after 6:37 to go outside. No ten ant of my father, even if as they wan rent the house, na they tell you first say any day you no come out for sanitation, I give you your money, you go. So people dey know am for their mind say sanitation. So when they come out, you go see people from your own fence to the fence, other fence, you clean am, from the other fence to the other fence. Everybody dey clean because they know say that day it is just for that thing. And it dey hard, brother, to cancel sanitation for Lagos. It dey hard. Wetin you wan do? Say you go whoever you be, e dey hard to say sanitation no go dey because they don already put the mind of people to that thing. Say na that day na you go clear. C'est pas toi avec. Qu'est-ce que j'en paie les paie les cleaner. Everybody knows say today are the cleaning day. Now here we dey remove am, and na here now we get the major problem where we say drainage sef dey struggle with water. You understand? Because na rivers we dey. Let's now come to the middle. The middle is the semi-government, the local government people dem. You understand? Make e no just be say na sharing formula na we dey for. You understand? Sensitize your people. The Rivers State government don't provide what they call the big gongoro, Riwama. I mean, what they call them, the big gongoro. As a local government chairman, nothing stop you from doing the smaller one. Those one where they get, where they do stuff, use it. Buy it, do it like 10 in your local government. Make that they go empower people, make that they go from the interior, because these Riwama people, they only pack the one where they for S-Res.
When you talk about empowerment, how much money they
brother
local government people to use? That they talk about local autonomy for local governments, that they talk about local government autonomy.
Brother,
how much they there for them to
brother. Because no, they talk this thing. Me, I know, see, for this caretaker thing. I know what some caretaker, 3 months caretaker don't caretake out of this caretaker thing. We know. Some caretaker chairmen, for 3 months, we know what they can take out. So leave that one. You understand? What thing we they talk, we say, they know. Okay, the security vote. My brother, qu'est-ce que c'est la security vote? Where is it going? After that, they could still say, government send, police send, army send. Waiting be the security vote, waiting if the security vote is not really doing anything, you understand? Because we know say most of them now dead with the chopping day. You understand? May they carry the security vote. Okay, now only security vote they even there for the day. Apart from paying salaries of maybe local government, which sometimes I don't know whether na state they pay am. When they say that they owe. You understand? You can do some small things like that truck you buy, because now for your people. If you buy those small truck, even if na 5, maybe they go to the interior side, because the Riwama, the big truck, na only express. You understand? Now they clean. If you see now Riwama, you don't see Riwama this thing for your street, the big truck. You know the countryside street. Their major work now for the main road to the Waka carry the one way for main road. But some people, out of maybe they no fit, I get one old man for my area, very old man. Only him one they stay inside one bacha. The man cannot move, say, so that kind of man dirty, you understand? If he see you for in frontage, at least he trek from in compound, come drop him inside, you understand? So those ones then go help. Meanwhile, coming back down now to the real people, my brother, the bagoule avec toi là, Jean, qu'elle a pas so tu t'appelles mon célébert. Even me, I don't understand, but it's a French word. Yes, it's a French word. Yes, thank you. I'm very ungrateful. Yeah, you do well. That is, now we be our own problem. That is what the meaning of what I talk. Now we human beings be our own problem. You drink this bottle of this thing finish. Bottle of, yes, bottle water. Come them beside you. but you go prefer to stone am make you enter gutter. You go dey target the gutter. You go strap you enter I no miss am. Meanwhile basket dey there. You see, if they ask, everybody is guilty. The rich, the poor, the semi-poor, the very rich, and the rich and poor rich. All of us hand dey inside. Because 75% of the pet coke, pet bottle, pet this and for water bottle, now the rich they afford them. You don't understand me? Now the poor own side, now the nylon. You know, see, in this country we are so crazy about nylon and leather bag. You go see person wey buy matches, go tell you put am for leather. Matches, ordinary matches, go tell you oga put am for leather. Some things you know, just understand the mentality of wetin we carry. And the people are so, even the aboki wey dey sell themselves, in mind is don dey so straight to say anything wey him give you, he must put leather. Imagine say you go buy razor blade. They put inside leather. The leather not even heavy pass the razor blade. Does it make sense? You see, so all these things them now he make, and once the person comot the razor blade wey dey inside, he go throw away the nylon for ground. Breeze begin carrying the nylon inside the gutter. When it mix with water, it don't go block one place. So I think wetin be the orientation. I don't know which department wey dey for orientation. I think, but Ministry of Education, for information, they get more work to do in sensitizing, orientating, and educating the people